In this video, I wanted to give you an update on 11 stocks that I invested in last month and if I'm making or losing money on them so far. If you're interested in more details about why I picked these 11 stocks last month, you can check out the video linked here. And if it's your first time on my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. So without any further ado, let's go into my Excel to go over the performance of my 11 stocks since last month. So in this table, you will see a full list of stocks that I ended up buying last month. I'm building two separate stock portfolios, one of them being dividend stocks and another being undervalued stocks. And I invest $1,000 each month into each one of these portfolios. So you will see that I had 5 stocks that were dividend stocks last month and 6 stocks that were undervalued stocks. You'll also see in this table the average cost per stock, the number of shares I purchased last month, and the total investment, which adds up to almost $2,000. And if we plug in the current prices of the stocks in these cells, we'll be able to see the dollar profit of the stocks and the percentage profit of each of these stocks. Let's start with the first stock, which is Avalon Bay Communities. The current price of the stock is $185.56. This means that I'm currently $9.83 up on my investment, or 5.6% return. My second stock, which was Verizon, is now worth $41.89, which means that I'm up by $11.22, or 4.7% return. The value of my third stock, UPS, is now $148.60, which means I'm $1.62 up, or 1.1% return. My next stock is Pfizer, which I had 10 shares, and the value of the stock is now $27.76, which means that I'm $10.50 up, or 3.9% return. And my last stock from the dividend stock portfolio was PepsiCo, and the current value of the stock is $175.75. This means that I'm up by $11.95, or 7.3% return so far. So now let's go over another 6 stocks that were a part of my undervalued stock portfolio. And for some background, I'm mostly choosing the stocks that are currently decreasing in value, but I expect them to increase over the long term. So I'm completely fine if some of these stocks decrease in value over the short term. So stock number 6, or my first stock from my undervalued portfolio, is PayPal, and the current value of the stock is $66.71. This means I'm $11.57 up, or 9.5% return. And the next stock is Shopify, and the current price of it is $77.20. Since I bought it for $77.19, which is almost at the same price, I only made 2 cents so far on my investment. My stock number 8 was Boeing, and as we all know, Boeing has been having a lot of issues in the month of March after my investment, and the stock decreased significantly. The current value of the stock is $192.91, which means I'm losing $10.68, or negative 5.2% loss. The next stock is Chewy, which is currently trading at $15.83, which means I'm down by $21.72, or negative 10.3% loss. Stock number 10 was Apple, and the current price of the Apple stock is $171.18, which means I'm $8.49 down, or negative 4.7% loss. And my last investment was in Disney, and the current value of the Disney stock increased to $122.65, which means that I'm $11.18 up, or 10% profit. So overall, you'll see that I invested $1,976.37 in March, and the current value of my portfolio is $2,003.37. So overall, while there are a few stocks that decreased in value since my investment, I'm up by $27 so far, or 1.4% return on all my investments. Stay tuned for my new video in April, where I'll pick new stocks and invest additional $2,000. I hope you found this update helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.